Hey guys, Anime here, and welcome to another episode of Cats Are Liquid. We are picking up right after I stopped recording the last video, and we are continuing this because I am having fun with this game and I want to continue it until I'm sure I'm out of this room or I finish the world. So, let's see. Well, finally something different. So, considering that it's been a week since last video, it might not be relevant to you, but this was like literally not even a sec. This was like literally just a few seconds ago that I recorded the last one. Is this one recording? Yes, it is. I remember that also another thing that pissed me off about my attempt to record a video for Harry Potter Hogwarts Mystery, and it was actually an event thing. My recording software didn't go. Like, I don't know why, it just did not go. There. So yeah. And I don't remember what episode I mentioned this in, but I was considering like turning this into like a rant deal, since not many people watch my app game videos, I was considering turning this into like a rant episode, like episodes where I play a game while I rant about something that's totally unrelated to the game. She saw something in the distance, something that moved. Okay. Oh God, why? She looked at the small orange rectangle going back and forth in the hole. Okay. Do they hurt you? I'm guessing that they're enemies? It disappeared when she jumped on it. Alright. Wait, seriously, is Human Fall Flat a platformer puzzle game? Because I guess that kind of renders my thing a lie. But if it's not, then I really have not played a platformer game since I had a PS2. So I had a PS2 and a Game Boy. Mario is a platformer game, right? I'm pretty sure Mario is a platformer game. Platformer adventure game. Seriously, what is with these blue boxes? Like, what is the point of them? Why do they exist? Seriously, I can make them dissolve, sure, but I can also move them. Like, is there a point to them? Oh, there's a point to that ball. But I don't really need any of these to boost me. You can jump and climb after all. And the jump's pretty ridiculous. Like, seriously, what is the point of the blue things? What is the point of the blue things? Like, they serve no purpose. Except, I guess, toys? God. Oh, it looks like my cat wants to come in. Wait, do I need these to turn into a liquid? Is that what these are? Is that what I need them for? My cat's broken in. Like, seriously, I'm just gonna dissolve all these. I'm gonna look into this after I finish this. Because I'm very, very confused about what the blue squares are for. Oh God. Oh, going through the doors also restores your lives. Your lives. She saw the ocean of triangles. Alright. We're calling this an ocean of triangles. Got it. And felt scared. Anyway, I'm probably gonna start turning this into a rant video, to a rant series where I play this game and I rant to stuff. I've actually got a few ideas already for like the first 2 episodes. First 2 episodes of it. I mean, you won't know. I mean, I've decided to do it, but that doesn't mean I'm actually going to do it. I mean, I'm actually going to do it, but I know what I want to do. At least I know what I'm going to do first. But that's for you to find out for you guys to find out the week after this video. Oh shit, that's a sorry. I had to restart my recording because somehow I accidentally exited out of it. So this is going to be a match. So I'm going to have to match this up. Gonna have to match this up with the other one. Anyway, so yeah, you're not gonna find out if I decide to do the rant video until turn this into a rant series until next week. God, damn it! Oh man, I'm all the way back here. I am not good at this. I mean, this is still room 1, isn't it? And I'm already sucking, and I've already lost all my lives twice. Oh, I have to climb? Oh, cool. That worked. Alright. My cat's attacking the shoebox I gave him. Well, he chose the shoebox. He got a bigger box, but he wanted the shoebox. Peanut's a weird kitty. And also, I'm sorry if you're hearing barking in the background. There's a dog somewhere that's not on my block that's barking unbelievably loud for some reason. This room was a little bit weird. It only went horizontally. It has horizontal. Oh, he has a toy. That's why he's going after the stupid box. Look, don't jump at the triangles, kitty. Oh, it's Larry. My cat Peanut, the cat you probably heard in my mind. If you watched my Minecraft if you had watched my Minecraft video, you probably heard Peanut. Probably heard Peanut in the background purring or something. Whoa, purring or something. And I've spoken about him when he was a kitten. Yeah, this is the 3rd time I'm restarting my recording because I keep hitting that one fucking button on my phone that shows all the things that one. Anyway, as I was saying, when we first adopted my cat Peanut and his brother Ninja as kittens, they were strays. Peanut became attached to this one cat toy penguin we had that my other cats at the time didn't really have an interest in. He became attached to it and became named Larry at some point. Whoa. Became Larry at some point. And it's like his favorite toy even now. Maybe the next room would go vertically. Would only go vertically. As soon as she entered the room, she noticed she was correct. Well, god damn it. Oh god damn it! Yeah. The one who designed this must have run out of ideas. I guess. Right into the same things that killed me. Whoa! What the fuck did I just do? I about knew it. Okay. Is this seriously still the same room? I'm not enjoying this part. Damn it. Ah! Am I almost at a save point? Yes, hopefully. Can I stop wall jumping? Of course not! I'm not enjoying this one. I'm not enjoying this one. At least I got further before I started losing my lives. Okay. Damn it! Oh god, back at the bottom again. The one who designed this clearly ran out of ideas. Hold on, I need to concentrate on this, so I'm gonna go quiet. Awesome! How long did that take me? That took me 5 minutes to do. Of course. Okay, I'm dropping back down. Just to refuel my lives. Oh my god, is this board almost over? Damn it. Well, at least I'm not already all the way at the bottom again. Really? I'm sure you guys are enjoying me failing, because that's what YouTube is like. Don't worry, you don't have to feel bad about it. I enjoy watching YouTubers suffer as well, so I can't really fault you for it. Damn it. Okay, these things are getting annoying. Really? Can I finish with the wall hops? Oh, thank God. Those orange things were jumping. Okay, those hurt. Yeah, figured I might as well do that. You go faster as a liquid, so let's see how far I can get. I got hit once. That was new. And kind of weird. uh... All right. Awesome. Whoa! That scared the shit out of me. All right. You don't actually have to stay liquid when you're liquid. Going liquid makes you go faster, but you don't actually have to stay liquid underneath them. That's good to know. Okay. Awesome. Lives restored. Where am I at this recording? I'm at 9 minutes. Gonna go for a little longer. Because I don't know. Well, I don't know how long the other two were. Whoa. I'm not gonna need that, am I? I'm gonna take it with me just in case I do. Nope, didn't need it. All right. Oh, God. It's a dark room now. I'm gonna turn my brightness up to see if that helps. Yeah, it does not. Just makes matters worse if I'm being honest. Anyway, I'm gonna end this one here. Because, well, I'm probably gonna record one more after this. And then I'm probably gonna leave to see, where I am and whatnot. so I know how to title this. So anyway, if you like this video, leave a like. If you want to comment, comment. If you want to subscribe, subscribe. Anyway, until next time, see ya. Bye.